Pokemon cards. So.
Yes, we got the Zamazenta and the Zacian premium box. Saw this Target and been holding it for a few days. Now we're gonna open it and get into it.
Finally, let's get into it.
Christmas.
Yes, Christmas came early. That's cool to go like this or something.
There's all the stuff on the back. Oh, look at this. It's like magnetized.
I think that's meant for like openings.
Dude, look at this.
Yeah. Nice and cool.
That's the thing we should open with. There's the game.
Players guide. And we'll get the code card. We don't need that.
I think the players guide shows all of the winners.
We get gold sleeves. There's that metal coin you were talking about.
There's another one too.
And we get 4 sword and shield.
Oh, those are dividers. Those are beautiful. This is a
Card divider. Get some dice. Oh, look at this. We get
These are heavy duty.
some darkness ablaze. Rebel trash. I'm sorry, clash.
Oh, trash. Yeah, but these are
More dividers. This one just fell out.
No dice that I've ever had ever does that.
You know what I just noticed?
Yeah.
We got this Zamazenta.
Did we not get the check him there.
Slid on the bottom.
Oh, even on this side is the same exact color. And same with the Roshin. Let me see if I can get that out for y'all guys. Roshin, as you can see, there's the Pokemon. And then boom. The die, we already went over those. These are little coins to show if they're poisoned or they need healing. So, if y'all guys play the game, I highly recommend this. You can be flexing that you have gold.
Yeah, flex your gold coins.
That's everything, the gold dice, metal dice, and all that.
Yeah.
Those dividers are beautiful.
Yes, I like the black and gold. Well, I say we open the worst packs first. What do you say about that?
I think so. That would be good. I just want to control it.
Well, that would be Rebel Clash, and then we can do Sword and Shield, and then Darkness Ablaze, and then Vivid Voltage.
out of all of it.
Rainbow Rare Pikachu would be good.
Rainbow Rare Pikachu, Rainbow Rare Pikachu, Rainbow Rare Pikachu.
Please let it be a white card. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I saw something. Krokorok, Excadrill, Sandile, Whalmer, Weedle, Beldum, Phanpy.
Rainbow.
Oh, yes!
Let's go!
Alright, so we got Zacian and a Nessa Trainer.
Let's go!
Full art. So you got a double hit there. And we don't have either one of these.
No, we do not.
Man, look at that.
Last pack left for sure.
It's not a Pikachu, but
It's a full art and amazing rare.
awesome. Here, let's put these in the sleeve quick.
Yes, we will. That means we're only missing Raikou and Celebi.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's
awesome.
go.
And its centering on the front is pretty perfect. And it's pretty good on the back too.
Let's go.
It's a pretty nice card right there.
It's not the Pikachu, but it's a double hit. Alright, so we got some pretty amazing pulls. Just not gonna lie.
We got some pretty good ones, yeah. We got a Nessa full art.
That one was last time with
This came right after Zacian. Amazing rare in the same pack. We got a few other V's. Nothing really to talk about, and then obviously the two black promo cards that Zacian and Zamazenta, these are cool. Have another one of these, we'll sit on for a long time. Keep it.
Yep. We're probably gonna keep this for us to keep on opening up Pokemon cards. This is gonna be our setup now, I guess.
We are still on the hunt for the Rainbow Pikachu.
Rainbow Pikachu.
We will be back with more videos eventually. So like and share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Peace. I love y'all.